Why does it matter, comrades? Because we need all the resources that we can muster to make life better for the people of Jamaica. We need resources to fix the health system so that when you go to the hospital or you go to a clinic and you need something that is going to help you to get better or some test to find out what is wrong with you, you can get it done there because they have the material they need and the equipment is working, and we know that that is not the case right now. We needed money to fix the road network in the country, which has been neglected over the 9 years of the Jamaica Labour Party, and they're scrambling when elections are upon them to spark or to reach, but them can't spark and them not reach because the people of Jamaica done make up their mind already that this government not ready and them have to go down and the people want change. Comrades, they seem to be obsessed with bad mind. They are wallowing in bad mind. All they can talk about is bad mind. When they are the ones who take the truth and turn it into lie. They're the ones who deceive the people by constant misinformation. How can they say that the Corner Regional Hospital is anything but a complete disaster for the people of Jamaica? Over $20 billion of projected expenditure. 7 years of work and it can't finish, and the people of Western Jamaica are suffering without a type A hospital. When we see the school system and the underperformance of our bright children and they're doing nothing about improving what is happening, we need a fundamental change in education, and that will be a key pillar of the People's National Party's policy and program, because we have the brightness, we have the talent, but we need to nurture it and support it in the right way. Comrades.